In this video, I'll show you Boost Mobile versus Spectrum Mobile, and we will compare them who is the best carrier. So for this one, I actually utilize a table. So for the network, Boost Mobile utilize AT&T and T-Mobile, where Spectrum uses Verizon. So Boost Mobile has unlimited and limited plans, while Spectrum has flexible and unlimited plans. Boost Mobile starts at $0 per promotions and typically 25 to 65 per month for unlimited, while Spectrum starts at $30. For the speed, Boost Mobile has 5G and 4G LTE, the same as Spectrum. Mobile hotspot is also available on both of them, while international features, Boost Mobile offers unlimited talk and text to Canada and Mexico. However, it's an add-on, while Spectrum Mobile offers international texting, pay-for-use data, and calls. So Boost Mobile doesn't have any additional requirements, while Spectrum Mobile requires Spectrum Internet. For the customer service, the Boost Mobile actually operates Monday to Friday 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Saturday to Sunday 4 a.m. to 7 p.m., while Spectrum has 24/7 customer service. So Boost Mobile is best for budget-conscious users, while Spectrum Mobile is good for those with Spectrum Internet already. So just head over and utilize which one is the best fit for you. So that's all it is today, and I hope this video helped you out.